Alright, so this time naman using the tactical Nimrod, accuracy test tayo or shot group test tayo at 40 yards. Ito yung airgun. So let's go, puntahan natin yung ating target board or target paper at 40 yards. So madadaanan natin yung ating shot groups at 30 yards. Papakita ko sa inyo. So ito yung 30 yard shot group natin, and then punta tayo sa 40 yards. So you know, ayan, that's 30 yards. 4 shots 1 hole. Last shot of my mistake, shooter's error. So ito ang ating 40 yards. This will be our point of aim or ating target. So ito yung babarilin natin. This is a bala ng staple gun. So let's go. Dun tayo sa table na yan, ang ating shooting position. Let's go. So hopefully makagawa tayo ng 1 hole at 40 yards. Tingnan natin. So ito, 40 yards. Here we go. Alright, so okay, dito tayo, camera position, kasi hindi natin nadala ang ating side cam holder. So right, taking first shot, loading pellet, cocking, aim. Wait, adjust ko muna yung objective. Yan. Taking first shot. Alright, that's first shot. Naduduling ako. Dapat dito, ang scope dito ay FFP para malinaw. 40 yards, napakalit na target. Alright, second shot. Naduduling ako Nahirapan ako sa 40 yards. Ganyang kaliit ang ating target. Adjust tayo ng objective. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Let's go see our 40 yard shot groups. Sensyahan nyo na, medyo naduduling ako. Sobrang liit ng target kasi 40 yards. So nahihirapan akong makita talaga yung ating point of aim. Pero okay na to sa huntingan. Siguro kung better ang scope nito at ganyan ang target natin sa 40 yards, kayang-kayang mag one hole nito. So ating yawa! Shit. Oh my gosh. Okay. The fuck, natusok ako. Oh my god, what was that? Oh my god, pako. Shit. Natusok ako. Oh shit. I better get anti-tetanus shot.